Hello, this is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library. Have you been thinking of an easy yet decadent recipe for a date night at home? Watch along to make something delicious and easy, leaving you with quality time on your special night. Our cookbook highlight for this video is Essentials of Classic Italian Cooking by Marcella Hazan. Our featured recipe is Sautéed Snapper with Fennel. For your ingredients, you will need snapper fillets, fennel, olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Step 1. Cut off the fennel tops down to the bulbs and discard them. Trim away any bruised, discolored portion of the bulbs. Cut the bulbs into thin slices less than a ½ inch thick. Soak them in cold water for a few minutes. Step 2. Put the olive oil, sliced fennel, salt, and about ½ a cup of water in a deep saute pan set on medium heat. Cover and cook for 30 minutes or until the fennel is wilted and tender. If the fennel is still hard 20 minutes into sauteing, add another ¼ cup of water. Step 3. When the fennel is tender, uncover the pan and turn the heat up to boil away remaining liquids. Turn the fennel slices until golden on both sides. Add some pepper to the fennel. Step 4. Turn down the heat to medium and push the fennel aside to make room for the fish fillets. Put in the fish, skin side down, and sprinkle with liberal pinches of salt and pepper. Spoon some of the oil in the pan over it, then cover and cook for 6 to 7 minutes. Step 5. Gently turn the fish over, baste again with olive oil, cover, and cook another 5 minutes or so, depending on the thickness of the fillets. Step 6. Carefully transfer the fish to a platter and pour the fennel and liquid over it. All that's left to do is enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.